Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on this Nissan Qashqai +2 J10, and we'll be simply replacing this reversing sensor here which has failed. So the symptoms are basically no reversing lights, the camera doesn't go on, the gearbox selector doesn't show up on the dashboard, so there's little arrows to tell you to go up and down, and so there's quite a few little sensors, and of course the lights don't work. So that's the sensor there, disconnected from the loom, and you can see it's actually under the passenger side of the car, just on that's the loom there, and it's just attached into the gearbox sump. So what you're going to have to do in order to replace this is drain the gearbox. So let's have a look at the new one. Okay, so that one that's in there is actually already an aftermarket one. This is the new one, and you'll see that it's got this little plunger there, which is the switch. Okay, and that's how it works. So when this gets pushed in, the lights at the back and it comes on, the reversing camera comes on, etc. So it's a 3-pin connector on this one, which means that it's controlling more than just the on and off for the cameras. Okay, and so you can see there's the 3 pins there. Okay, look at that little point. That little plunger is a lot longer than the one it replaces, incidentally. So I'm wondering if that plunger just wasn't sufficiently long enough on the old one. But anyway, to test it out, what you do is you plug it into the loom and just press it with your fingers and see if the lights come on. Now, you can see that where that drip is, that's the drain plug of the gearbox oil, and I've just drained it and binned it, and I'm going to replace it with, I think it's 2 to 3 litres of gearbox oil that goes in there. Okay, and you're going to lose it, so you might as well, collect it in a little bucket, and you'll see that's what we do here. And we're just going to bin that with the oils in the municipal dump, and they will take that away for you. Okay, so every 2 years or so, changing that gearbox oil, this manual gearbox oil, should I say, just to keep it running nicely. And that is essentially all that's required to be done here. Just fill it up, plug it in, fill it up, and that's it. Look at this, is the old one here, and as I said, look at the little plunger pin there is a lot shorter than the new one. So hopefully this one will outlast this version, which only lasted 1.5 years, but no big deal. It's a nice easy it's a nice easy fix as fixes go. Hopefully that's useful to fill up the gearbox oil, etc. I have another video on this, and that just shows you the filler plug, which again is on the left hand side of the vehicle, a little bit higher up.